sitting behind.
No,
They
they're
are in
just waiting
Seva
for one
today, yeah?
person to come.
They are
Yeah, they're
serving
doing
us.
seva at the moment.
They are in Seva actually. So, welcome everybody, and thank you for coming and thank you for trusting. I focus a lot on healing because I feel anything that you do, you need healing before that, because human life is all about healing. You only come as a human being when you decide that now I'm ready to change, I'm ready to evolve, I'm ready to become better. When the soul decides this, it is given this opportunity to come as a human being. That is why it's said in the holy books that even Devi Devtas want to come to earth to become a human being, because this is the only chance that you have. You can transform yourself. We've been into many lifetimes, yeah. So I was not a believer of past life and stuff like this, that many lives, something like this. But because I died and I came back, the experience completely changed me, and I learned that yes, we do have many lives. And after evolving a lot, we've come to a human being's life, this kind of a form that we have. Only we have the power to transform ourselves and become better each day. Only we have this power, yeah. Animals cannot do that unless somebody tells them to do something, they'll do it. But we have the best intelligence where we can transform ourselves and make ourselves better each time, each day. Now, how can we do this? For supposing somebody is really trying hard to set up their business, and they feel, I try my best, they are very intelligent, they are qualified for it, but they keep working, they don't make it. It just doesn't happen. If they do, then it closes down. You see, a lot of people have this problem. They start a business, it shuts down. Career, choosing that, or maybe a spouse, it doesn't work sometimes. And then people go to astrologers and stuff, they come to us and they always say, you need to heal. Say, why heal? We've not done anything. It's because you already have this issue in your life. There's some blockages inside which will not let you manifest that thing outside. Even if it is money, whether it is a car, house, anything, or a relationship that doesn't work. People have issues till they live, they have issues with relationships. Even when your hair falls, do you know, you go to the doctor, they just give you a medicine, but the medicine is so dangerous because you do not know why does it fall and what do I do that it stops falling, or I get new hair again. Do you know 50% of the population in the world suffers hair loss? 50% at very young age, 30s, some even from 35, 32, maybe even younger, yeah? Do you know why? Your hair follicles get burnt with your own acid. We have so much acid and chemical inside us. Every time you stress, it completely brings up the fire inside you. The first thing that burns out is your hair follicles. And they burn so badly that the hair never comes again. That is why people go balding. So simple, no? If you have acidity, you will lose hair. But if you tell somebody, the doctor doesn't tell you, they give you the medicine. I wish they told you that acidity is the reason for your hair loss sometimes. Sometimes there are other reasons. You've been taking medication or something. For different things, you need different healing. Even your hair is come to teach you something. The body that you have is constantly teaching you something. It's speaking to you and telling you, if you change, I'll do this better. If you change, this will happen. If you change, if you heal yourself, this will happen. But it's very difficult unless and until people go through something really bad, they never come. They never believe in healing. The universe makes something happen so that you learn it, because you're here to do that. That is your higher purpose. Do you think you're only here for eating, sleeping, socializing? You would be so tired. You know, there was a story where one man was gifted, like, you can be, he was given an address. If you go here, you live young forever. You can go to this fountain, you can have the water, and then you can stay there. You will be young forever, whatever age you go. So he goes to that spring or that place. It's very far off. He walks. In the olden times, it was they had to walk for days. When he reaches there, one person comes there to greet him. He is also very dry. Okay, you've come here. Okay, registers, takes him inside, and then when he meets everybody, everybody is very young, very good looking, but nobody is happy. Then they take him to that water where he's supposed to drink it and then stay young. He says, why is everybody so unhappy? He says, we've been living for years young. We've been having a lot of food. We finished partying. We finished everything now. We've done maximum of everything. Now we are tired.
Bored.
We are bored of being young. Wish we could die. Because after some time, everything in this world has a point of saturation. The only place where you enjoy the most, if you somebody truly gives you the right address, is right within you, right now and this moment. You can't wait for anything to happen in the future. If there is anything, it's inside you and it's never out. I know people say this, but I don't want to just lecture. I'm going to give you a direct experience of that today. And you will experience that the best place to be is in this body. And if I heal it, I know I can be amazing. Believe me, from a nobody to recognize myself, I had to open up myself, explore myself. In this journey, I really learned a lot, and I keep sharing and I tell people, don't just listen, do it. Application, keep applying yourself. Keep exploring yourself. People think yoga is so boring. Believe me, it's the most trendy thing that you can do. Most important thing, every runner, every sports person, if you want to play football, if you want to be successful, if you want to be an Ambani, you want to be Bill Gates, even for that, you need to do your yoga. You know what is the meaning of yoga? Many people do. Put your hands up. How many? Tell me the meaning. Quickly. Rakhi, Aarti. Yeah, and?
To be with one with yourself. It's union with soul.
Yes. Only you always notice when you're sitting here right now, you're here because I'm telling you something and you're engrossed, isn't it? Interesting for you. But imagine when you're in some place and you're thinking of, oh, if I've parked my car right, what's for lunch today? What if my child doesn't go to school? What happens if he doesn't do the homework? You're somewhere, you're thinking of something else is happening inside you. The chemistry inside, the chemicals, constantly there is a laboratory at work, different chemicals. Oh, stress, maja aavi. This is nice. Happiness, good. Sexy girl, oh my God, nice. Something nice will happen inside. Different kind of reactions to different things create different chemistry inside your body, and you're nothing but an outcome of that chemistry. Powerful, isn't it? It means if you know the right chemistry, you know the right combinations, then you can transform yourself to be what you want to be. So what do we learn? How to operate that chemistry. Now supposing you're in good frame of mind, if I make you laugh today and you go back very happy, and if you are fully present, then you will have the best hormones, the best chemicals and the best chemistry inside you. So when you go back from here, the body feels, today we did something nice, I can try this again. But if I only lecture you and leave you, then it's over. Because chemistry didn't happen. So most of the places where you go for satsang lectures, people enjoy because Jamanu Saruche, venue is nice, menu is nice, people are nice, you get a social outing. It's entertaining, yeah? And then you feel your own spiritual journey, it's nice. But you're not doing something, yeah? The application is necessary, and I insist that today you only heal your life. You can heal your whole future if you go in the right space within yourself. You can heal everything about your life, your past. You can even heal your future by being in the present the right way. You're healing your future. And it's very transformative. Don't forget, you have the power to transform, to change. Only 85% is astrology. I'm telling you the secret, no astrologer will tell you. It only applies to people who are benign, doing nothing, and they just lay down and take it. Okay, this is it. 15% is your free will, more potent than that 85% which comes in your chart, yeah? If it is written in your chart, this 85% is actually useless if you use the 15% power given to you, your free will, to change your life, to do something great, to discover the best of yourself. You can do this right now today. You can at least start the journey. Once you kickstart, once that chemical comes out in your body and that combination happens and there's a spark, now the brain says, I found a way. Every time there's a problem, it says, let's do this. That's how people get into yoga deeper and deeper and deeper, right? Everybody's understanding? Simple language? Ready to go? So you need something for this, yeah? When you want to go to a destination, what do? I wanted to come to Rakhi's house. What did we do in the car? Yeah, exactly. We put a map, we put the address. This is where we go. The moment I have stepped out of the house, I'm on the way to Rakhi's house. I'm in the forest already. I put my foot out to go to London. The moment I'm out of the house, somebody says, "Where are you going?" I'm on my way to London. Isn't it? Like this, you have to have an intention throughout your journey. If you really care about yourself, if you really care about the people you love, if you really care about the success, the work that you do, you want to retain everything good in your life, then you will do it with strong intentions. Because intention is the only way that you can guide your journey. That's the right GPS. Specify one thing about your life, or at least say specifically, I am doing this for my greater well-being. Even if you say just this, and then you stay with that intention, repeating it, whatever you do from this moment onward, now your car will take you there. Which is your car? Your body is your car. It's perfect science, yeah. There is no spirituality in this today. You're only guided by the spirit. Yes, navigation. Did you see the internet? Did anybody see the internet? Isn't it? You're just operating it, no? Like this spirit, there is no spirituality. You are spiritual only. You can't search for it. You're already operating it. Just that by making intentions, your car will go in the right direction, and the car is the body. This is the perfect vehicle. Make the best use of it before it becomes useless and you cannot do something. Because once you've gone to a point of no return, you'll not be able to drive this car. Then it will be said, you keep it out of the road. It's really dangerous for the road, hazardous. So you can't do this, isn't it? Everybody is with me? You know what to make for your intention? For my greatest well-being today, I allow myself to do this session. Don't do it for me. Don't do it for family. Don't do it for anybody. Just for you today. And try how good you feel. Once you're full of that love, once you go home, you will shower love to your friends, to your business, to whatever you do. The application will be 100%. Isn't it great? Everybody is awake or still sleepy? Yeah? So we are ready to make the intention. You have to just do one thing. Close your eyes. Take a nice deep breath. Just in your mind, internalize this intention and repeat. I allow myself to do this session for my greatest well-being. In the second time, apply your whole energy and say it enthusiastically after me. I allow myself to do this session for my greatest well-being. One more time, let's do this. I can't hear you. You see, I have a problem. I have Bluetooth in my ear, so I can't hear you. You better be loud, yeah? I allow myself to be in this session for my greatest well-being. And just keep your eyes closed and ask yourself, how do you feel right here? Rub your palms, rub them on your face and body. Time for application, yeah? Internet has a lot of applications. You make the intentions, now you have to press start. Yeah? So we warm up. We get into the butterfly position, everybody. So this is the simple, so for those who are sitting up can just move their knees. Yeah, keeping closed and out. The rest, just do the butterfly movement, simple. Breathe. Now try to keep your posture tall. Yes, keep the neck tall and breathe. I'm going to take you there, the destination that you put in your GPS today. Yeah? 5, 6, breathe. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. Just take both your legs out. Simple. You have to follow one thing. Yeah? If I tell you breathe in your feet, then you breathe in your feet. You can close your eyes and see whether the breath is going there. Breath doesn't go there. But always remember there is a formula. Yeah? There are a lot of secret spiritual formulas will take you there faster. Energy works in the direction of the mind. For example, if I tell you, you sit here and focus on What's in the kitchen? In few minutes, your whole energy will be in the kitchen and you will feel that you're drained. Because you let your energy go out somewhere else into something else. Withdraw all your scattered energy, withdraw it from the universe, bring it back to yourself and use it for your greater good. Yeah? Now put your feet out and push the toes out. Sit straight, push the toes out. Breathe in the whole front of the leg and into the ankle. Close your eyes and breathe. And exhale, push the heel out, flex your feet. Very nice. Keep sitting tall. Isolate that movement. Again, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Very nice. Inhale, exhale. 5. Breathe, everybody. Full breath. Give me your 100%. Our greatest well-being. Only we can get to it. And relax. Stay there. Can you feel it in your whole thighs, everybody? Stay with this. Flex your feet and let's make big circle. Again, go slow. Go deeper into it and see how much range do you have. What is the range of movement? It's called ROM. Breathe into it. Take deep breaths. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and reverse it. Breathe in the whole legs, in your ankles. Take deep breaths. Yes. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Relax. Just relax your feet. Shake them out. Shake your whole leg like this. Yes. Now tap your thighs. Tapping activates your nervous system. Yeah, wherever you tap, you're activating your nervous system so that energy doesn't block. That means in your physical life, if somebody is stopping you from doing something, if you're trying for something and it doesn't work, and if you keep tapping and you keep breathing, you'll even release your physical blocks in life. Isn't it great? Whatever you do to your body is going to manifest in your physical dimension, which is powerful. Very nice. Now, just those who can bend, those who are on the chair, just keep sitting. Yeah? Those who can bend their knees, if you can't bend, sit just the way you are. Now, I'm going to teach you the secret. The whole yoga secret is in opening the rib cage. Lift your arms, use your hands as a tool and pull the rib cage up. Press the glutes down into the heels. Pull your rib cage up. Breathe. Keep pulling the rib cage up. Please, more. Elevate it up. Press the glutes down. Very nice. And slowly bring the right hand down. And only the rib cage. Open the left rib cage more. Yes. Open it more. Open that more. Breathe into it. Take deep breaths. Still more deep breaths. Little more. Let's go a little more. And come on. Take the other arm up. Open the rib cage. Please open. You know, your abdominal cavity is the secret for your confidence, for your success, for the way you handle things. If you open this cavity, oh, it works wonders. It's magic. Breathe. Press your glutes into the heels and open the rib cage a little more. Breathe. Take deep breaths in that rib cage. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's continue with the other side. Keep pressing your glutes into the heels and open the rib cage and breathe. Press the hips down and bring up other side and breathe. If you want, you can close your eyes, navigate the energy into that part of the energy, that part of your body which needs more energy. Yes, breathe and breathe. Very good. Keep breathing. Wonderful. And one more time. Breathe, breathe, breathe. And come back and relax. Immediately close your eyes. And see how do you feel. Take nice deep breaths. Relax your calf muscles, your hips, your thighs, your spine. Please relax your jaws. It's important that you relax your jaws. Yes. Relax your chin. Relax the center of your eyebrows, your eyes, and see how do you feel. check, are you in this moment? Are you with the GPS? Are you with the power that you have within you? Very nice. Open your eyes. Again, you're in the same position, people on the chair, you will stay there the way you are. Take your arms up. You know, in PT school exercise, they used to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't it? Today you do that with rib cage and try. You don't have to learn big yoga, Surya Namaskar, ulta pulta kai nat karwa. You just do that, okay? 1. Open the whole back body. Push the arms forward, open your back. Open your rear deltoids. Breathe into them. Again, open them more, push it forward, breathe into them. Suck your belly in now and bring it towards the back. Suck the belly in. Yes. Now, take it up. Inhale, up again. Open the rib cage. Open the rib cage, everybody. Push it open. Press your buttocks down. And out. Open both arms wide. Pull them both to each side. Breathe and forward. Again. Pull them forward. Open up your back body, everybody. Breathe in the back body. And up. Open up the rib cage. Let's do this fast. PD class yaad hai vichi? School nahi? Let's go. 1. Breathe. But see that you're doing it right, yeah? Open the rib cage. Open the rib cage. 4. Up. Down. 5. Up. Down. 6. Up. Down. Keep the rib cage open. Don't forget to breathe. If you don't breathe, गाड़ी में petrol नहीं हुई तो चाले नहीं. Your breath is the fuel for it. Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8, and relax. Tap your shoulders. You did a good job, yeah. You're telling yourself. You appreciate the whole world, but for yourself, you only use one A. Arrogance. મને બધું આવે. You don't teach me. Baki badda mate you have appreciation. Oh, she is so good. That guy, oh, they made so much money. You have 10,000 stories of appreciation. Baddaની ખબર છે. મારી નથી. Learn to appreciate the smallest things that you do. Ask those people who have been sick, who are not able to move their arms, not able to move their body. Do you ever thank your hands, legs, and heart that it's working right? We don't appreciate. Just learn to appreciate the smallest thing that you're doing today. Believe me, you'll thank me later. I've known people who cannot get up from the wheelchair, who cannot move. Ask them the value that when you appreciate yourself, your body works 100% more for you. Even to a maid, if you say, you're doing a good job, you see how well they do. Somebody sings, you just go and tell them, oh, you sing so well. They do a better job than what they do. If others can do it, won't your body perform better? Learn to appreciate. Close your eyes and tell the body, you did a great job. Lovely hands. Oh my God, this is so wonderful. You did so good. The most powerful A in the world is appreciation. And if you can do this to yourself, you will do it to everybody. You can't do it to yourself, you'll always be sarcastic with everybody. Then you'll only be another A, which is that? Loudly. खबर पड़ी नहीं हमें बताने. Nice. Let's start. You keep sitting, yeah? Simple exercise. School nahi, I am going to remind you of school exercise today, okay? You have pectoral muscles here. These are your pectoral muscles. And your cardiac health is connected to your pectoral muscles. As you age, the arteries become thicker. We pant because blood has to really make an effort. Rasta bunch and every day, like the traffic outside, you have traffic inside. Just a simple exercise can give you a beautiful cardiac health. So what can you do? You can open the arms, inhale, open the whole heart, exhale, quick. Now with this, we'll add one movement, yeah? We'll open the chest and the abdomen, lock the abdomen in the spine. Got it, everybody? 1, exhale, shrink it. 2, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Wonderful. 4, exhale. Give me your best, everybody. 5, exhale. Squeeze your belly in. 6, wonderful. 7, squeeze it. 8, squeeze. 9, squeeze it. And 10, squeeze and hold now. Push your arms forward and pull that belly into the spine. Pull the belly into the spine. Pull that navel into the spine and breathe. And smile. Think of that intention. What happened to it? Yes, think of it for my greatest well-being. I'm doing my best. And release. And relax. Just close your eyes and see how do you feel. And where are you right now? Where is the mind? आवाज नहीं आती मैंने
In the
कान में.
present.
Yes. Where is the mind? Here. Where is the body?
Here.
Where is the attention?
Here.
So what is happening? Greatest well-being. How do you feel? Simple, no? You need too much logic now? We can do this one more time. Do you know this expands your health? This expands your happiness. All the H, yeah? This expands your heart. I like the alphabets used in the right way, and I see that they do, yeah? You'll remember it like this, like ABC. We can do this one more time? It's very good for your heart health. For people whose metabolism is dropped, you have a problem with thyroid, body doesn't function well, you feel tired, you feel fatigued. This is too good. The feel good factor in this exercise is wonderful because it works your thymus gland. It is responsible to release that little chemical which is a feel good hormone. How is that? You want to feel happy, right? Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Inhale, exhale. Go. Inhale. Inhale. Squeeze that belly back. Yes. Squeeze it into the spine. And 4. And 5. If you can do it faster, let's go. 5. 6. Come on, give me your best, everybody. 8. 9. Squeeze it. 10. 10. 9. 8, 7, 7, 7,
Stuck.
6. Oh, my button got stuck. Sorry. 4, 3, 2, and hold it tight. Lock your whole lower body in. Yes. Breathe. Yes. Open up the back body more. And release. Appreciate. Close your eyes. Today you take your name and say, oh Harjeet, you did so well. Tell your name. Yeah? Don't say Harjeet, you did well to your body. Yes, do this to yourself. Just close your eyes and see how do you feel right now. Keep checking, yeah? I'm going to keep checking. Where's the mind? Body? Attention? Good, you'll make nice police for yourself, yeah? Take nice deep breaths. Wonderful. Very nice. Slowly come to a standing position, everybody. Ready to do more, no? Everybody? We'll do very simple exercises. When we are kids, we do that langdi, you know, we stand on one leg and then we try to balance. Just keep your, so first establish yourself, find a good balance. Put your right foot down and slowly lift the leg up. Left leg up, slowly. Yeah? Those who want to take the support of the chair, pillar, please take support. Very nice. Now smile, breathe, lift, and down. You see, it was so nice, no? Did you see the pressure on the other leg? Do you know if this is the biggest muscle of the body? This is the Mercedes because it contributes to the metabolism of your body, means it will keep you healthy. It has the greatest responsibility. When I'm on that leg, you thought I was doing this leg? No, I was working this leg. And when this leg was tightened, the thighs were tightened, the calves were tight, all the parts here in the lower abdomen, we were giving them a lot of force inside. We held the breath for a while, and when we release, blood rushes into these areas, cleanses you and detoxifies you. So I'm teaching you ABCD right now. Yeah, we are not doing yoga. We are just doing ABCD of yoga. How does that work? Now you do it after knowing, see how it works. Okay? Same leg again. Put it down. Challenge yourself, yeah? In my book I have written, I have no competition. I am only performing all the time. Think of it, how it works in your life. Put that leg down. Focus. All that what I said about that leg. The calf is tightening. Look at one point in the center of eyebrows in front of you. Only target is my greatest well-being. Focus on that leg. Stand straight. Try to make it straight. Wonderful. Shrink that thigh. Shrink that calf. Lift up. Open up the abdominal cavity. Try to lift your hands if you can. Wonderful. Lift. Open the rib cage now. Breathe. Take nice deep breaths inside and exhale. Go to that leg and say, oh, you did a good job. Just close your eyes and see the difference in the left and the right side of your body. Where is the flow of energy and oxygen in the body? Just check. Go into the deep awareness. Ready to tell me quick? This is not mute session interactive. Right. How many of you right? You're right. How does that feel? Do you know there is a saying, if you can establish yourself in a posture, it has a gift. Every posture of yoga comes with 100 gifts. 90% of the people only open the wrapping and keep the cover. Cover bahut saru chhe. We will recycle it. Nobody opens the gifts. I am teaching you, you open the gifts, you will be the richest person on the earth. If you feel rich, you are the richest person on the earth. Even physically, money will come to you in the physical dimension. And if you feel poor, no wealth of the world can make you feel rich, ever. I always feel I am the richest woman on earth. And it works. How simple is that? Yeah? Hold everybody. One more leg to go. I'll make you hot, don't worry. Yeah? You'll be the hottest person. Ready? Let's go. Other leg down, slowly lift up. Look at one point in front of you. Just look at one point. Focus on fixing that foot down into the ground and keep lifting this leg up. Very nice. Lift your ribcage up too. Yes, contract your glutes, contract your thighs, your hamstrings. Focus. Be steady. If you can be steady here, you will be very strong in your life too. Be there and breathe. Wonderful. See your calves. Suck the belly in more. Breathe, everybody. Breathe. And relax. Tap that thigh. You're really getting there, huh? You were good. This time we are going to do with hands up. Tell yourself, I'm ready to do even better for my greatest well-being. Your inner conversation, what you tell yourself, is what the universe is also listening, and it gives you that. So if you say, oh, to saw Gandhi, I'm stupid. It says, okay, you be stupid. If you keep telling, oh, I'm fat, then it's okay, stay fat. If you keep saying, I'm never successful, it's okay, stay failure. You want that? Do you really want that? If you know that it is so powerful, the language of your inner self, what you talk inside is being heard somewhere, and there is a big boss listening to it and doing just that. What would you talk to yourself? You would make the conversation better every day, wouldn't you? Every day you would want to perform better, do better, think better, talk better. Why? Because I know the big boss only does give us that. You ready now for the same leg up again? This time we are going to lift our arms also. Now, take that leg up slowly. Establish yourself on the ground. Lift it a little more. Slowly lift your arms by your side. Keep looking at one point in the center of your eyebrows. And slowly lift the arms up. Breathe now. Now stay established. If you can be here, you can be anywhere in the world and be strong. You will be established, very strong within yourself. Nothing in the world can shake you. And relax. Tap. Take nice deep breaths inside and see how do you feel. If you really love yourself, you will actually go in that thigh and say, oh, you did such a great job. Your thigh, your muscles have been contributing for a lifetime to what you want to do, made you stand We only realize when we can't stand that the legs are so important, the thighs are so important, isn't it? Simple exercise, sexy exercise, yeah? You're going to shake your waist. Now you will not shake your head with it. You will only shake your waist. So we'll go one by one. Step one, push the glutes behind, only tailbone. Feel the arch of your back and pull the body forward. Can you feel it opening? Spine is opening. Breathe into it. Push more. Push that buttocks more. Now push those buttocks right. Breathe. Can you feel the oblique muscles opening? Yes.
Yep.
Push it forward. Yes. Feel your abdominal muscle opening up. Breathe. And go left. Breathe. Take deep breaths here into this. Breathe. Again go back. Breathe. Right. Breathe. Forward. Breathe. Left. Let's go faster. 1. And breathe. 2. Only hips. Isolate only hips. Breathe, everybody. You see, your lymphatic drains will get activated with this. Yes. Breathe. Breathe, everybody. And remember, I can do better for my greatest well-being. 5, 6, breathe. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Just relax, close your eyes. Please relax your lower back, your hips, your glutes. Relax your whole abdomen. Take a nice deep breath and see what difference did you make to yourself. Establish your attention in your own body. Just for today, you will only live for yourself and see how do you feel. Pay attention. Wonderful. How does it feel? You feel you did something?
Yep.
Simple exercise, no, it's working your body, right? Other side, let's go. So first we'll start, push the glutes behind. Push them more and pull the crown out. You will feel the back arch, the spine opening up, lower back is opening. Breathe into it and take the glutes to the left. Breathe. Can you feel it in your oblique muscles? Push it forward. Breathe. And right. Breathe, everybody. Take big, deep breaths. Be kind to your body. It needs so much oxygen. Be very gentle. Be loving. Yes. When the body knows you're doing something for its greater good, to make it even better, and you're doing it with love, with compassion, with your breathing, you have 100% result. Yeah. Let's go faster now. 1. Breathe. 2. Nice and sexy. To badha smile karo. Yes. Come on. You got to smile. 3, 4, 5. Breathe. 6. Very good. 7 and 8. Just relax and close your eyes and let me tell you a secret. Yeah. You just follow the instructions. Just the way your face is now, you just be like this. Now, you just smile inside for yourself. If the mirror is inside, and smile for it. Oh, I look so good. Look at that inner mirror and say, I look so good. Wow, I'm fabulous. I'm amazing. I'm so strong. I'm courageous. Look inside and tell yourself. Now, relax the center of your eyebrows. Relax your cheek muscles from inside and relax your jaws. And smile for yourself again and open your eyes. How did you feel? Only instructions. When you practice, how does it feel then inside the body? Good. The smallest thing is a huge chemistry for the body. Huh? Your body, your reaction are run by the chemicals that are happening inside the combinations. So when you fret that you're driving, but you're saying, this idiot, why doesn't he drive? Why doesn't he go? The road rage. Oh my God. There's a huge reaction inside and chemicals go haywire. Now slowly, body gets used to, there is so much toxin in the body that it all goes and accumulates in your brain. And then what do you develop? Brain toxicity. Ultimately, because everything is connected, if there is toxin in the blood, where will it go? It will enter the brain. And then what do you develop? Brain toxicity. Now because brain is toxic, every reaction is negative. Thoughts are negative. Everything what you do will become negative. So where do we go back to the source? Just smile. You know why? Brain has one language. The moment you smile and there is no frown here, the brain understands, okay, we are in good mood. So good hormones. And if you're in a bad mood and you just do this, what did she say? Say it again. This. Now, different chemicals are coming out. Just this line and just this will spoil your whole chemistry. Now this will stay in the body. The reaction, the outcome of the reaction will stay in the body, collect over a period of time, and then it will become tuberculosis, cancer, because these cells are already waiting. The moment you're negative, now they get more votes from your cell. They go and combine and they boom. Who's winning the election? The villain. Isn't it? Isn't it powerful to know that just the change of expression changes your whole chemistry in the body? What are you healing yourself or not right now? You're healing your whole alchemy. You're nothing but a bag of chemicals. Ready, everybody? Simple exercise now. Okay? You're going to go forward. Bend the knees if you like, yeah? So that you can pull the whole body out. Those who are on the chair will do it on the chair itself, yes. Pull the body forward, pull the crown forward, push the glutes back. Keep pushing the glutes back, keep pushing the glutes back, keep looking up and come here. Yes, if you have vertigo, be careful. Now from here, you will straighten the knees in and look down, go down, take the crown down slowly. Very nice. Again, hold your ankles and now you will go squat and up, squat and up, and squat and up. It's a full squat. Go down fully. Wide legs. Wide legs. 1, 2, breathe. 3, breathe. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Wonderful. Stay there. Those who can keep bending can stay there. If you have vertigo, you can go up. Now, lock your arms like this, everybody. Keeping the glutes where they are, move the torso to the right. Try to remove the torso from the body and breathe like this. Open it to the right. Breathe. Pull that elbow more to the right. Breathe. And go to the left. Breathe. Pull it open. Breathe, everybody. Pull it right again. Open and breathe. Left and open more. Breathe. Right, left, right, left, right, left. One more to go. Right and left and breathe. Bend your knees. Come back to this position. Pull the body long in front of you and come up. Inhale up. Exhale down. Just close your eyes and ask the body, do you feel worked out? You feel that you're worked out or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
I can't hear you. I have this.
Yes.
And now I can. Feels good, everybody?
Yes.
Getting there? Yes. Very nice. So we'll do one simple exercise. Going back like this, yeah? And trying to reach the back of your knees. Those who are near the chair or the pillar, those who cannot go otherwise can hold the wall like this and go back. The rest of you. Now, come back. I'll share a secret, yeah, in this. Everybody does this and they think it's good. You know what is the target? You have to try and push your heart to the ceiling. That's when the rib cage will open and the abdominal cavity will breathe. Your digestive system takes a lot of acid inside. Even your sports activity gives you a lot of acid. You need to neutralize it with your stretch. Your target should be fixing the feet in the ground. Feet wide. Wonderful. Hands on the waist. Glutes tight. Now push your hip forward and lift your heart to the ceiling and start going back. Keep pushing your heart to the sky. Breathe, everybody. Breathe in that opening. Breathe. Let the head fall back. Don't resist. Don't resist and breathe. Let the head fall back and breathe. If you don't have vertigo, it's fine. Otherwise, You stop, breathe, and come back. How did it feel? Different? Everything that you do matters inside. The smallest thing that you think matters inside. We are very important to ourselves, you see. I'm very important to me. I like to keep myself good. We are ready to do this a few times. Reaching the heart out, feet pressed into the ground. Yes, engage your thighs, engage your calf muscles, tighten your whole thighs, glutes. Inhale and go up to the sky. Breathe and down. Again, inhale up, pull the rib cage out and up. Breathe and back. And let's go. 3, breathe and back. 4, breathe and smile. Oh my God, if you have a frown, brain will think something is bad. This is punishment. Harjeet woke me up in the morning. This is so terrible. Go, breathe. Very nice. 5, 6, very good. 7, and open the heart. How does it feel, guys? Brilliant, no? How many of you said you were doing yoga? Put your hands up. How do you feel now? No, none. Feels better? It's a proper introduction. You like it? Just remember this. Do yoga with anybody. But don't forget the foundation, yeah? If you know the foundation, you will fit in any class. Everybody, ready? Simple exercise now. You're going to take your arms up. Pull open the ribcage again. You know, my whole secret, I told you, it's in the Manipur chakra. It is called the city of jewels, this part. The element connected to it is the sun. It is a brilliant area if it opens, but the brilliance dies, it's darkness inside. Ignorance, tamas, anger, negativity, suppression comes from this chakra. And if you open it, heal that chakra, heal that area of the sun. Close your eyes and use the word heal for that. Press your feet into the ground, open it. Take your right hand down and let the left go to the sky. Keep pushing the right hand down and keep pushing the left to the sky. And let's pulse it and breathe. 1, 2, each count is a breath. Breathe in it. 3, 4, drop it. 5, push it. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Open your arms. Smile. Remember the body language, the face. Send the message to the brain. Oh, I am so good. Then say, okay, good hormone. Ting. How is that? Ready? Inhale and exhale, go. Come on, push. 1. Keep pushing this arm down and this to the sky. 1, 2, breathe. Breathe and smile. And smile. Yes, chashma pehri hoy tohi bhi smile kari sakte hain. Yes, smile. Don't give me excuses. 5, 6, and you can yawn as much as you like. 8, 9, and 10, and come back. Let's do it 2 more times. Powerful, no? Otherwise, you see everybody doing this 100 times. ઘરમાં બધું કેવું છે? ચાલે છે બધું? જ્યાં બા બરાબર છે? જમવાનું કેવું હતું વેડિંગમાં? We do this 100 times and we are talking, we are chatting. How does it feel when you're in your body doing your exercise, breathing for you, doing your greater well-being? Isn't this powerful?
Yes.
Yeah? Now, let's do this a few more times. Internalize this experience thoroughly. Don't let the pettiness of the world ruin your intention today. Nothing in the world is worth ruining our happiness or ruining our future, our greater well-being. Nothing. Just forget who said what, who did what. It's not worth it. They did what they did. 90% of our complaints are, they did this to me, my mother did this to me, my father, even I used to have it. Huh? I know it because it's my history. So I used to have it. This person did this. I have a history of this. And I realized it doesn't work. It's not worth it. It's not letting me go forward. It's not letting me move on. It blocks my progress. I left so many things because I understood it's not worth it. They are not worth it. I can't waste my time. I have to move on. Life is precious. Do it for yourself. Internalize this today and do it with your full intention. Remember it. Ready? Let's go. Let's go. Start. 1. Push it to the sky and push one hand down. Close your eyes and tell yourself what you want to be. how you want to be. It's your time to be the way you want to be. Yes. 5, 6, and breathe into your intention. Put fuel into it. 9, 10, other side. Breathe into it. Yes. Make yourself more powerful. Yes. 1, 2. The palm pushing to the sky should really push up. Yes. 5, 6, 7. It works into your heart too, into your arteries. Works for cholesterol. Go to the other side quickly. Very good. Keep smiling. Remember everything. Stick your feet into the ground. Open up the cavity of your body. Send the message to your brain. I am ready to go for my greatest well-being. I am there. I've got there. Very good. Turn to the other side. And 10, 9. Breathe, everybody. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And come back, relax. Do not open your eyes. Remember all the things I said about your expression. Go look inside and take your name. Say, oh, you were so good. And say genuinely, yeah, feel that joy that you did so good to yourself today. Feel that brilliance, that happiness, that joy, unconditional, only for yourself. And see, don't you want to move on? Don't you want your greater good? Don't you want to go forward? And gently open your eyes. Everybody good to go? Ready for our breathing exercise? Get down to the floor again. If you want to sit on the chair, anybody, you can sit. The rest of you will go down. So you'll do very simple exercise, yeah? Again, you're going to do Kapalabhati in a different pose. Everybody knows Kapalabhati. It's a kind of, okay, let me tell you, it's a kind of an exhalation, only exhalation. Inhalation is passive. You don't have to do it because you will never die doing Kapalabhati. You only focus on exhalation. Benefits of Kapalabhati. Anybody would like to say, Rasika Ben? Quickly, loudly.
It gives the glow to your face.
Yeah.
It cures all the elements of stomach.
Okay. Anybody else? Anybody who wants to say anything?
Removes all the toxins.
Yes. Anything else?
Takes out all the CO2.
Yes. The most important thing is you always have stale oxygen. You know how you got into the habit? Because you remember, when I was in school, no, this girl used to pinch me. Even if you see them after 20 years, you remember, no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah? Somebody who has pinched you. But you remember somebody helped you?
Yes.
Very less. Compared to the bad rate, the good ones you have forgotten. Anything that you have not let go of, you have learned to hold on to, because your breath also you take like this. If you change your breathing patterns, you change the behavior of your cells. This is very scientific. You can study on internet later. Okay? I'm just telling you, you can change your behavior. Now you'll say, why do I need to change? I'm good. But I have a lot of room for improvement, yeah? I can be even more better than this. Every morning I think, I can be even more better than this, yeah? What should I do for it? Every morning, my new thing is, I want to do even more better than what I did yesterday. I've forgotten yesterday what I did. Somebody asked me in the morning, how was it yesterday? I said, what was good? I forgot I took a class yesterday. I want to be better than what I was, isn't it? Now you have this stale oxygen inside because you are holding on to breath. The fear of death is subconsciously, you know that we die. You never exhale fully. Because of which, and because of the pressure of the rib cage in the lower part of your lungs, there is lot of stale carbon dioxide there and oxygen there. Oxygen is there. What does it do? Because there is oxygen inside, it keeps on rusting the iron in your blood and it releases free radicals. Free radicals are very strong. If they go and meet with your cancer cell, they go and meet with any tuberculosis cell, all the bimari wala cell which you have, then that will boom. It will win. So what should we do? Get rid of those free radicals, isn't it? Kapalabhati is the only way of getting rid of it. How do we do it? I'll show it to you for the time. Okay, you can try with me. Demo chair. All this what I taught you was only warm up, yeah? I didn't teach you yoga. So I don't claim to teach yoga because that was just a warm up. You will put your hands here and Open up your whole abdominal cavity. And you will exhale completely like this. I'll show you one nice cheating, yeah? Many people cheat like this. You like that? You see, the message going to the brain is, "Aapkai punishment hai che andar." There is something wrong inside. There's the face that we make, yeah? So you have to have a very pleasant, beautiful face. Not for anybody. For that I have a mantra. Who cares? But for you, it's important what you look inside as yourself to be. It's very important. So when you go inside, you always notice, you do to the Kapalbhati with a gentle smile. Only exhalations. Try to do it from the nose. And this, once this flaps, you have your vital organs inside. Your pancreas, your liver, all these organs are inside. The kidneys towards the back. Body desperately wants to detoxify. It wants to do the kachara. But we are so busy accumulating the stale emotions. This person, this did, at work they put me down. We have so much baggage, we press that down. We do not release it. Today you let go of all those people, all those things. If you really want to learn the true yoga of yourself, you let it go today. Yeah? Ready with me? Everybody exhale. All these organs will detoxify in that. Sit up straight and smile. Look at the inner reflection. Is it good? Is it wonderful? Very nice. And let's go. Nine, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7. Remember, points, exhalation. Yes, more. Give it more. Release. Don't frown. Just smile. Look beautiful. And perfectly remember your intention of your greatest well-being. Continue doing it 10 more times. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep your eyes closed. Now you've really generated electricity inside. Close your eyes and think of which dimension of your life you want to use this energy for. Which aspect of your life needs energy right now? Think of it. And just let this energy go in that direction. Put your thought in it. Put your attention in that part of your life now. If it is the body, you put it there. If it is any dimension in your life, then you put it there. And gently open your eyes. Doesn't it feel real electricity going there? I used to heal myself like this, yeah. I used to be in a miserable condition and I used to heal myself and people used to think she's really mad, and I kept on doing my breath work. I never stopped. Breath is the most powerful connection to the cosmic consciousness. And whatever you want, you can get to it. But you should know that when you finish your breath work, do not open your eyes, because the moment you see something, your energy will go there. So I always say, when you finish your breathing workout, do not open your eyes. Use it for yourself. You created it. Do you know the story of Duryodhana? Everybody knows the story of Duryodhana? So Duryodhana was very powerful, but he was fighting this war of Mahabharata. And it was his, he was really struggling in the end. He knows that he's going to lose the battle. His mother had tied a band on her eyes because her husband was blind, and she chose not to look at anything, not to use her eyes. But so many years she kept her eyes closed. She had gained a power inside because her energy was internalized, and she had a power that the moment she would open the band and look at something, that body would be invincible. So now Krishna goes to Duryodhana. Yeah, I'm not wasting your time at home. Yeah, you're okay? So Krishna secretly goes. Now he knows Duryodhana is very arrogant. He will not listen to me. So he goes and he tells him, your mother has this power. Why don't you try it? If she opens the band and she sees you, then these Pandavas cannot defeat you. You will win this battle. So Duryodhana thinks, okay, let me do this. He goes, his mother tells him, but you come to my room, you should be wearing nothing, not a stitch of cloth. But Duryodhana, as usually, is arrogant, no? So then Krishna tells him, you can't go in front of your mother like this, no? You have to wear something, no? It is not good if you just go like this. So what Duryodhana did is he wore a band of banana leaves in this part of his body, and he went, when his mother opened his eyes, his whole body became invincible, but this area stayed very, very, very vulnerable. So when he died, it was because Bhima could kill him here. He hit him here and he tore his leg apart. You understand? So this is how we also have this great power inside us. Whenever you close your eyes and do any kind of breath work, do not open your eyes immediately. First, use that energy for every dimension, whichever dimension, financial, relationships, anything you can use, health, house, your dreams, you want a car, phone, for whatever, you want to be a football player, for anything. First, you visualize it because you're the architect of your life. If you can draw it in your mind, the universe will give it to you directly. And if you can't draw it, you will not get it. Powerful, isn't it? We have the power now. 15%, huh? I'm only making use of that 15% free will. Everybody with me, this time you do Kapalbhati. You will only listen to my voice and internalize the energy. Do not be Duryodhana. Huh? Not even for 1 second let your energy go somewhere. Ready? Everybody? We do this 50 times. Give me your best this time. And remember, no frowning, smiling. Look at the beautiful mirror inside. Let's go. 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Remember what I said. Do not open your eyes after this. And take a deep breath inside. Exhale. Now visualize. Where do you want this energy to go? And visualize that dream. Visualize that it's happened. It's happening already. You are in that moment. You're celebrating the moment of your dream. Or you're healing yourself. Any part of your body. Just focus inside. And relax and open your eyes. You don't feel wasted, no, when we do this. You can work every dimension of your life without any weapon. The only thing you need is the breath and just a direction. I always say, a very nice superstar doesn't get a good director, the film goes flop, no? Just like this, your coach is responsible only for directions and you're responsible for internalizing. Just follow him. Can we do this one more time so that we assimilate this power into our dream? We make it concrete inside so that it manifests outside. Those who want to heal will focus that energy inside. Those who want to manifest for your dream, draw the picture inside. Visualize the joy and the emotion attached to it. See how you feel, yeah? Everybody with me, close your eyes. Ready to go, everybody? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only exhalation. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Do it with your whole being. Create more electricity. Last round. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Take a deep breath inside. Exhale. Keep your eyes closed. Draw the picture. If you want to heal yourself, also draw the picture that you're healthy. If you want anything in life, visualize. You already have it. about it. If you can't feel happy about it, means you're telling you're not deserving it. Yes, all the connected emotions, allow them to happen right now in your body. Beautiful. Without opening your eyes, lie down on your mats. Everybody, stay with your dream as I take you into Shavasana. Lie down on your mats. If you need to cover yourself, please do so. Cover yourself if you need to do so. Take a nice deep breath and relax, everybody. Those who are sitting can close your eyes. Take nice deep breaths inside. Take a very nice deep breath inside. Deeply relax your toes. Just remember, it's your energy. You can do anything with it. Take a nice deep breath. Take a nice deep breath. Exhale and relax your whole body. Take a deep breath into your toes. Exhale and relax your toes. And tell yourself, I have a beautiful body. Each part of my body is beautiful and it is contributing to my good health, to my greater well-being. Take a deep breath into your feet. Exhale and relax your feet. Take a very deep breath into your ankles. Exhale and relax your ankles. Take a deep breath into your calf muscles. Exhale and relax your calf muscles. Take a very deep breath into your knees. Think of how your knees have served you a lifetime. Even if you just run, if you just walk, if you sit to get up, think of how much gratitude you owe to your knees and relax your knees. Take a nice deep breath into your thighs. A nice deep breath into your thighs. Exhale and relax your thighs. Remember the Mercedes in your body, they contribute to your metabolism. Take a deep breath into your pelvic region, your glutes, your sit bones. Exhale and relax your sit bones, your pelvic region, your glutes. Take a very deep breath into your tailbone again. And from your tailbone, as you exhale, slowly take your attention in the whole spine down to up. Relax the tailbone. Relax the back of your navel. Relax the back of your diaphragm. Relax the back of your heart, your chest, your lungs. Relax the back of your shoulders. Relax the back of your neck. Relax the back of your head. Relax the brain inside the back of the head and say good things. I have an amazing brain, wonderful brain, healthy brain. Relax your whole abdomen, the lower abdomen, upper abdomen. Relax the lower abdomen, upper abdomen. Relax your diaphragm, your heart, your chest, your lungs, your shoulders. Relax your biceps, triceps, elbows, forearms, wrist, palms, fingers. Look at the beautiful body from inside. Do you think you can manage without the fingers? Appreciate the smallest part of your body. Appreciate the whole internal process of digestion, the process of rejuvenation, the process of respiration inside your body. Allow yourself to be in the attitude of gratitude. Relax your neck and the back of the neck. Relax your chin. Relax your jaws. Relax your lips. Relax your tongue. Relax the walls of your mouth. Relax the cheek muscles from outside. Relax the cheek muscles from inside, outside. Relax your ears, your nose. Relax your whole face. Send the message to the brain, I am super good. I am fabulous. I'm amazing. I'm strong. I'm healthy. Relax the muscles around your eyes. Relax the nerves around your eyes. Relax the skin around your eyes. Relax your eyelids, eyeballs, eyes. Relax your eyebrows and the center of the eyebrows. Relax your whole forehead. Relax your scalp. Relax each and every hair follicle inside it. Relax each and every hair follicle inside it. Just allow your whole skin to relax from top to bottom. Remind yourself of your intention. I allow myself to always be in the mode of my greatest well-being. I intend doing great for myself. I love myself, honor myself, respect my own energy, and I allow myself to use it for my greatest well-being. I allow myself to heal my past, my present, and I also allow myself to heal every dimension of my life, my relationships, my finances, my body, my family, my house, all connected dimensions, my profession, my career. I allow myself to heal every dimension of my life, and I allow myself to be engaged in the process of my greatest well-being. Take a very nice deep breath and tell yourself again and again, I have a beautiful relationship with my body, with my mind, with the universe, and I can draw for myself the best of my potential, the best of what the universe can give me. I allow myself to receive all health, wealth, abundance, family, good relations, career, Everything in my life, I allow myself to receive it. Gently become aware of your breath. Move your toes a little and move your fingers a little. Move your neck side to side. Take your arms above your head and stretch your body and tell yourself, oh wow, I've done it. Tell yourself very happily, I've done this, wow. Turn to any one side of your body. Turn to any one side. Keep your eyes closed. Lie down in the womb of Mother Earth and receive your gifts. Open up all the yoga packages and tell yourself, I allow myself to receive all the fruits of this session. I allow myself to receive all the gifts of this session. And receive. Just feel there is a connection with the earth, the root chakra life. And then you are being given everything, all health, all happiness. If you can visualize it, you will receive it, you will manifest it. Just visualize whatever you need is given freely and in abundance. Take as much as you like. Just receive as much as you like. Take as much as you like. Health, wealth, freedom, abundance, anything. Name it. And take as much as you like. Feel the joy of receiving. And slowly come up in a sitting position with your eyes closed. Keep that energy with you yet. Come in a sitting position. Just internalize the whole process inside you. Internalize everything said and done. Keep your eyes closed and listen carefully. You already have the most important ingredients of happiness, joy, success, spirituality, name it. It's only ignorance which makes us look outside for it. Today make a decision, decide for yourself. I intend to explore all the gifts inside me, and I allow myself to serve my greatest well-being. And listen to the prayer of wholeness. You can join your palms and listen, bowing down to the divine energy inside you. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May there be peace inside and outside in the world. Rub your palms. Rub this beautiful energy into your body. Allow it to manifest. And with a big smile, with a beautiful picture of you inside yourself, you will open your eyes. And give yourself a big hand. You did great. Tell yourself, I did great. You can say it loudly. I would love to hear it. I did great. Didn't you? Then why are you so mild? Say, oh, I did so great. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So lovely. You guys were really. Thank you for allowing me to share. Yeah.